Cesar, one slow out. Sant Anthony, Queen Mamba, pass to begin, moving a party outside now. Is Forever Summer. It's now Forever Summer, Queen Mamba, Grand Dynasty, Libre Lang. Then followed by Take Me Tonight, Plan of Attack, and Sant Anthony. We have Forever Summer by Aralenka. Grand Dynasty in second, Libre Lang in third. Alang back and forth, Queen Mamba, 7 lengths away in Pipa. Ace Take Me Tonight, Sant Anthony, and Plan of Attack. They swing into the back, and it's still Forever Summer by about 3-4 of Alenka. Grand Dynasty remains in second, and in third still is Libre Lang. Queen Mamba in fourth, Sant Anthony now coming closer in Pipa alongside Take Me Tonight and Plan of Attack. And it's still Forever Summer by about 2 lengths. Libre Lang moving up, Queen Mamba, Sant Anthony also moving up, Take Me Tonight. Forever Summer still in front by Ralenka. Queen Mamba, Libre Lang, Sant Anthony in fourth, Take Me Tonight in Pipa as they come down at the last 200. And it's still Forever Summer by Ralenka. Queen Mamba now trying to get closer and on the outside, Sant Anthony, Take Me Tonight. Forever Summer, Queen Mamba, Sant Anthony is on the outside. Forever Summer, Sant Anthony moves up, and finally Sant Anthony, Forever Summer, Queen Mamba, then comes Take Me Tonight, Libre Lang, Plan of Attack, and Grand Dynasty.
4-5-1-2. Hindi pa maganda ang salida ko nung Sant Anthony. Medyo slow out nga. Sabi
Napansin ko na yan nung nakaraang takbo niyan eh. Hindi masyadong maganda ang salida, kaya kita mo, hirap na hirap. Kaya lumimati nung nag-open, makita siya ng daylight.
Dahil yamado na. Itong si Sant Anthony, 228,000 ang binenta, 785,000 naman ang ating total handle. Mga dividendo natin sa 2, 476, sa 3, 160, sa 4, 666, sa 7 na, 566. Tapos sa 8, 19, sa 9, 79, sa G's, 562, at sa 11, 206.
XD tayo.
XD. Sa ating extra double coming from number 4, sa 1, 775, sa 2, 764, 3, 300, 426, 6, 307, 7, 379. Tapos sa 8, 269, sa 9, 322. Tapos sa 12 na, 81.
Copy. Estimated niya sa ating double, 116, 32 naman sa ating extra double.
12,099, natira sa ating pick 5. Take all natin, winners na tayo for the first set. Tabay lang para sa ating first set. Yun lang ang titingnan natin para bago tayo mag-replay. Yun. 4. 600. Bali, 300 winners. Alright. Panoorin na natin pagkakapanalo po ni Sant Anthony.
This instant replay is brought to you by Katialis Ointment and Soap. Laging patok sa skin disease.
Cesar, one slow out. Sant Anthony, Queen Mamba.